Hello everyone. In today's tutorial I will show you how you can enable back tap on iPhone. Stay till the end and add on this cool feature on your phone. First we need to open Settings. Various options will open here. The one we need is Accessibility. We click. The section we choose in the new menu is Touch. The option we need is at the bottom of the options list. We find back tap and click on it. There we have two options. Double tap and triple tap. I will choose double tap. There we can choose various functions. From opening the camera, flashlight, mute option and others. We will choose a screenshot. We click and go back a few steps. Now we can see how the option we added works. We tap twice on the back of the phone and see that the screenshot is taken. That would be it for this video. Follow us for more tutorials like this. See you in the next video.